back. Y'all as excited as I am? What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the White Man Golden, and I am here with a brand new episode, ATF. That is all things fly. Brand new channel, brand new equipment, brand new setup, brand new everything. You see the blue couch, man? We trying to do some things here, man. I appreciate everybody for sticking with me. To anybody new checking this out, please be sure to subscribe. Help us grow this channel out, man. I can't do this without you, man. You know how it goes. But anyway, this is our first episode, and I decided no better way to start this off than with a sneaker haul. I mean, I done copped a few things this year thus far. And if you know anything, man, when you're trying to put together a sneaker haul, you just like kind of grab and try to remember what you copped. And 3 things came to mind that I remember copping. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely get into those for you. So without further ado, let's check it out. First, I'm gonna show you what I copped at House of Hoops. This was a couple weeks ago. Me and my girl went out to the mall, pretty far out, and they had these sitting on shelves. I actually thought I was gonna have to get this resale, but you know, cause I don't really get out too much sometimes. So when I went out, I saw that these were just sitting on the shelf. So I said, why not scoop them now instead of pay resale later? So let's see what we got in the bag. And in the bag we have our Nike box. You can tell by the orange box, man. You know it never changes. My God, it never changes. But let's see what we got here. And we have our Nike Air VaporMax Plus in the black on black colorway. Now, if you're anything like me, when you're trying out a new model shoe, you like to get a solid colorway just in case it's not your favorite. You can wear it with anything. It's better than getting a real crazy colorway and then it's all loud and you figure out you don't really like the shoe and now you're like, what the hell am I gonna do with these? But so yeah, I went for the black on black. I thought this was the best one. I'm actually digging the olive pair. I need to go get that one. But these, man, these are way more comfortable than I thought. A lot of people compare these to Ultra Boost, and you know, and when you talk about Nike shoe comparing to Ultra Boost, it just feels like they want to say something to compare to them. But no, this technology that they put on these is actually really damn good, man. I can't lie, man. I can't lie. There's not much to this shoe. It has the old Air Max feel to it, which I actually think this is the first pair of Air Maxes I've ever owned, man. As sad as that is to say, man, this is probably the very first one I've ever copped. Not a bad one, man. I'll definitely be copping a lot more this year. But yeah, this is the black on black version. Not much to it. You have your little bit of hits on here, which is in your yellow white, which says VaporMax Air on it. And on the inside, you will also have a similar label to it. But nothing else to really show you about this. Really glad to have these. Shout out House of Hoops. Always feels good when you pay retail. Next, now I know you can tell what this is by this box, right? I mean, they was killing people with these. They were everywhere. Gatorades, they were everywhere, right? Air Jordan, Gatorade collab. Now this one, as anyone knows, they put out a whole bunch of them, whether it was the white and orange Jordan 6, you have the green and orange Jordan 6s, and then you had 4 different versions of the Jordan 1s, which you had your lemon lime, your berry ones, your aqua, and man, I cannot remember. Oh, the orange one, which those are kind of crazy in person, but I didn't go for those. Let me go ahead and just throw that out there right now. But this one I think was the most limited one, and I found these in Wish ATL. Shout out babe, I'm pretty sure she scooped these for me. When I saw them there, I was pretty shocked to see them there and I had to have them. So without further ado, let's get into it. And we have our I hate when that happens. You just assume that it's gonna just show you the shoe and it doesn't, so now you have to peel back paper. Retake. And we have our lemon lime Jordan 1. I never knew this came with a towel, man. That is so hard. Like, bro, I have not opened this shoe since I got it. So I did not even recognize that it came with this towel. This is dope, bro. Like, this is hard. They put this in all of them? That's OP, man. I really appreciate that. Man, these things are tough. I mean, they are bright as hell, but these are hard, man. From the little bolt in orange there to the pull tag that says the Gatorade there. I mean, the leather's A1. I mean, it has this kind of like see-through feel at the bottom with the Gatorade. You're inside with the Nike Air on one side and then the Gatorade logo on the other side. The B-roll will show you out better some of the things that I'm talking about. But this leather is crazy, man. Like, what a great shoe, man. I mean, this color is crazy. I can't really ever match with this color. But this is the statement piece. This is a stunt piece. It also comes with your white laces with the orange tip. and then your orange laces. Well, all of them have the orange tip. I didn't even notice that. But yeah, it comes with all of that, and this leather is good. But who would ever wear the orange laces in this shoe? Like, why would you ever do that? I mean, I know it has the orange accents, but come on, man, that makes no sense. Another thing, Jordan, I'm a lazy man. If you could just send my pair laced up, I would really appreciate that, because like, I hate doing that. I thought these were the best ones out of all of them. I'm actually still thinking about getting the orange Jordan ones and maybe the green and orange 6s. I wanted those really bad, so I'm probably still gonna scoop those at the minimum. But these are crazy. I am so thankful to have these. Shout out to Babe, because she scooped these for me. She knew I was desperate for them. She's the real MVP. And we have our Lemon Lime Jordan 1s. Alright, and last but not least, we have a box I ain't even opened yet. I mean, I think this has been here for a couple weeks. I'm not really sure. But let's check it out. Since I can't find my pair of scissors, all those who remember my former channel know I used to stay with the pair of scissors, but I don't have a clue where they're at. So we're gonna use this mini screwdriver to check it out. Oh, by the way, if you don't know that that tape means it came from Nike.com. If you ever see that kind of off-white looking tape there, that means it came from Nike.com. Fun fact. As we get rid of our paper, because y'all don't need to see my info, we have our Jordan box. Just a standard Jordan box, and I think all 3s and 4s come in this same box. Nothing to it, but this gives a hint of what we got here. This was not a hard copy. If you wanted this pair, I'm pretty sure you got it. I actually scooped one for me and Babe, and I haven't checked out my pair, so let's get into it. As we peel back the cement wrapping paper to match, we have our black cement 3s. Now, I'm trying really hard to close this box just to prop it up right here, but man, this is not working with me, so I'm just gonna toss this to the side. We have our black cement 3s, or as my brother Juan calls it, the best Jordan ever made, with the Nike Air checked as it was originally introduced. I mean, I would love to tell y'all a lot about this shoe. I've never personally had one. This is my first pair, and this is my first time actually looking at a pair because I never opened my box. This is nice, man. I've actually been waiting to do this video because I wanted to wear my pair. Normally when I get a new shoe, I wait a couple months. It just takes me a while to get around to it. These I actually want to wear. They feel so classic, man. Like, you could wear these with damn near anything, man. I feel like Spike Lee, I'm about to do the right thing or something. I don't know. These are hard, man. I don't have to get into a lot of detail because everybody should know about this. I'm actually gonna do a separate thing on these shoes. Yeah, I don't really want to do a review on these. What's the point? Just showing y'all my pair. My first impression are these are hard. Ain't much else you can say. As long as you got Nike Air on the back, I am sold. It's been your boy, the White Man Golden. As always, thanks for watching. Please support us on this journey we're gonna go on, because I plan on giving y'all consistent videos, whether it's this, whether it's that, whether it's anything we do, we're gonna be live for y'all. So any support that you lend to us is much appreciated. Shout out to all of y'all, man. It's been your boy, the White Man Golden. As always, the slogan, GMG, we do what we do, and I am out.